So we have seen the calm before the storm. We are going to walk into the melee, the organized chaos that is the national, or I shouldn't say, the New York State Chess Scholastic Championships, as all the players are being seated for the last round of the day. And there's a lot of great care by the parents and the organizers to ensure the safety of the kids, as most of them are entering to take their seats before the round. Let's observe. As everyone's taking their places and their seats, pouring in. Clock's being checked. For the most part, all as far as the eye can see, and this isn't all. As we head up the hallway where people are checking their parents, and we have demonstrations for chess camp. That's very cool. The calm capsule. Relax and reset. It's pretty impressive, this whole thing, on the whole. As parents are being herded down the hallways toward the tournament locations. And what we saw earlier, we didn't actually see this part, but now we get to see the bookstore in full motion.
Anybody but this kid, bro. Anybody.
Not a square inch of floor space is uncovered. T-shirt, business in action. The Rochester Chess Center now in full mode. All the parents coming in. For the most part. Coaches, chess control, taking care of tournament business. The pairing, the elementary champ pairings on the white sheets. We'll just go through here at one time. As we admire the organized chaos that is all the way to the front where the award ceremony is going to be taking place. For the most part. We have our other documentarians going on here and whatnot.
He's over.
And then we will go to yet another ballroom in the city center, which was closed earlier and we couldn't actually see what was going on for the most part. Quick way out, food vending going on for the most part. We have Ben & Jerry's, food, parents in the city center, massive Skittles room, parent waiting area for the public display. There we go. On the whole, rather egregious prices, of course, for the food if you're going to be caught on site. Oh, food's closed for the day, but we do have another shortcut to the tournament playing hall. Further boards in a smaller room. Not sure which under section this could be. We will cut through to the other side. See where this room came from. On the whole. Sorry. On the whole. I see, it's a side room of this room. And this is where we were before. U.S. Women's Champion Arena Crush. And we're back out again. So that was it for the most part. Now, of course, this is just one of two locations. We will visit the other location later, perhaps tomorrow, in the Marriott. And that way we'll get the big picture. And there's another tournament hall up ahead. Perhaps more team rooms on this side. Taking off. Much quieter, calmer team room area over here. Collegiate. And maybe the tournament director's office. Trinity team room with Jonathan Corblaw. The Dalton team room. And formerly known as the coffee shop, which seems to be pretty much taken care of on the whole. And the bistro is open. Whew. So that was it. One very quick tour of the tournament facilities in scenic Saratoga Springs. It's not that bad outside for a brisk, maybe 30 degrees or so. In any event, that was that concludes our tour of everything that is going on for the final round of the day. Thank you for joining me.